What's up, everybody? Chaos here for MiaSono, and we're here for another 2-minute drill series. Today's topic: delay. No, we're going to go over the ins and outs of using delay on your audio tracks. Now, it can be used on vocal stuff, it can be used on a sample, and there are only a few settings, so it ought to be fairly simple and quick and forward. So let's jump into the program and let's show you what we're talking about. Alright, here's you see we've got Ableton open. I've got a nice little tropical house ditty that I wrote a couple months ago in one of our sessions. And if you notice down here, we have an EQ8, a compressor, and then a delay. Now, we'll start up here with this one. Now, delay, there's a few settings that I want to show you quick. That's got the left and the right. Those obviously your speakers and the sync. Now, if you're just wanting to add like a little bit of reverb, you're going to put it on 3. Okay, if you're wanting it to be a fast but on time, 4 for a 4/4 beat, 8 or 16. Those are where it echoes. And then there's this over here on the side where you have ping pong. The ping pong is going to make it echo and go back and forth between the left and the right speaker. So it'll go to the left, go to the right, go to the left, go to the right, for as long as you have it set up. Now, if you notice also here in the delay, this is an EQ setup here in the middle. This lets you hone in on the sound or frequency that you're using. I'm doing mostly a vocal, so I've got it around 1 kilohertz. Now down here, your feedback is how much feedback you want it to have. The dry and wet is how many times you want it to go before it tapers off. So let's take a listen real quick and listen to a couple different ones. This one was set on 8, I believe. Oh, no, this one was on 16. So let's play it for you. See, notice on the back and forth, hold on goes back and forth between the two speakers. Now here we have the other one. This one's going to go a little bit faster. See, back and forth again between the two sides. And that's ping pong delay. Now you can do this on a vocal part, you can do this on a sound, a one shot, any of those will work. But that's pretty much delay in a nutshell, real simple. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button down below. My name is Chaos from MiaSono, and we will see you next time.